Erecting your collapsed PV pallets is a simple process. First, let's add the sidewalls. Simply compress either of the two available wall latches on the base pallet by lifting the latch. This will release the sidewall from the pallet. Then, lift the sidewall into place within the base post pockets. There are 6 slots, so you can easily adjust the desired distance between the sidewalls to accommodate the length of your cargo. It's important to make sure post pockets and sidewall posts are free of debris to ensure the sidewalls are fully secured into the base. Now let's engage the cross braces. Remove the cross brace from the sidewall and lower it into position. Then simply slam the slam latch to secure the cross brace to the base. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for using PVpallet.